Hey you guys, I'm back and I'm better and I'm feeling good. Welcome to Gigi's Cooking. Yes, I got this little crazy setup. I know you're like, why she got plants over there? What's really going on? What's really good? Well, I'm gonna let you know. Today I'm gonna do spaghetti. I got a request, a few of them, so I got a taste for spaghetti. And I said I'm gonna cook spaghetti. So I got these pots over here going. Big pot, little pot is cooking on low. Nothing in it yet, and it's just boiling water. We're gonna do spaghetti, but we're not gonna do ordinary spaghetti, guys. We're gonna do taco spaghetti, okay? I got some leftover ground beef from my tacos I had this week. So it's just leftover refrigerated taco meat, okay? The green stuff is cilantro, so don't think I'm giving you, this ain't no old meat at all. Look at that. You see that? That's cilantro. And we got some chopped up onions from my salad when I had my shrimp kebabs. Had leftover onion. You know me, minced garlic. And we have tomato sauce, okay? And we also have some fresh cilantro. I want to show you guys a quick tip on how to keep cilantro fresh. You basically, I got some Spanish people in my family. So basically you just dump it in some water. This is some applesauce, just an applesauce container. Put water in it, stick it in the refrigerator, and it sprouts. It grows, actually. It's like a plant, you know. I know a lot of stuff. Just fool with me. Fool with me. I'm gonna do a helicopter style. I'm gonna have my phone, my camera in midair. I wish I did. I'm lying like a mug. I got it on my stand, but I just propped it up so you guys can see. This is just an empty pot, okay? This is just regular taco meat, okay? You can add whatever you want, you guys. So it's still in the spaghetti category. I'm listening to my girl Shamika Dean, you guys. She's on YouTube. She used to be on Facebook, but her Facebook got snatched like mine did. And I'm still butthurt about my Facebook being snatched because that was my A1 spot where I was getting all my love. And I'm getting used to this YouTube thing, but that's Shamika Dean, girl. So if you want some inspiration, spiritual food, go to Shamika Dean. I think it's Shamika with the E-I-E-K-A. Shamika. S-H-A-M-E-I-M. Shamika Dean. I can't remember, but just type it. I think it's the way I just pronounced it the first time. Shamika Dean. She's really good. I watch her like a lot. Okay, you want this to start cooking? We're going to crank it up. We don't need to season this because it's already done. So we just added some fresh onion, some fresh mushroom with the taco seasoning because we want, you guys, what? Taco, but we also want spaghetti. So it's going to be a little bit of both. That's why we have both of the ingredients. I'm going to put a large amount of minced garlic. I like a lot of garlic. And we're going to add the tomato sauce last. Let's add some fresh cilantro. If I don't buy anything fresh, I definitely buy fresh cilantro. I love all of them, but cilantro is just... I bought cilantro flakes and I could not taste it, and it just doesn't taste the same as all the other stuff do. I don't know if you guys can hear, but if you can, I do apologize. But I have to hear her right now because she's telling it like it is. So we're gonna let that cook. Okay, look. We're gonna do the pin pasta again, okay? Because you want this to be biteable. We're gonna put all of it in there. You want that bite. You want to be able to scoop and just go in. Scoop, go in, okay? You don't want to be pulling on some stringy noodles and it's just not the same. Because this is a taco spaghetti. So you want to be able to scoop that thing and eat it. It has taco seasoning already in the meat. bell peppers and all that inside the meat, because I put bell peppers in my taco meat. I do. I don't know why I didn't tape it, but I was tired, you guys. I barely finished cook that last night. So we just want that to stay on high heat. And we're going to dump that in there. Right before we do, I don't know yet. Because see, now I'm debating if I want to put it in a big pot or not. I don't think that's going to fit in that. Hold on. Looks like it's going down. Y'all hear my vocals? Let me find out. I turn YouTube on so I can get discovered. Okay, look. Now look. I had to change my pot, y'all, but y'all see, ain't nothing going on. Y'all ain't missing nothing. We're going to add the tomato sauce. This is some dollar stuff. Always buy one of these, you guys. Always keep some tomato sauce. It's any kind of noodles, the cheapest noodles. Always keep it around because you can have an old piece of chicken. I'm not lying, y'all. Baked chicken. Chop that up. Throw it in here. Make use and put a little cheese. You can. I don't know. All food is good food to me. I don't throw away nothing. Okay. Amen. Shamika. She's talking about making that move. Shifting. You get your shift, you gotta move. God shifts you. When he shifts you, don't panic. You move. You follow what he tells you in your ear. And you follow. Don't be scared. Don't ever doubt God, you guys. Now, this is the taco spaghetti, okay? So far, so good. It's smelling real good. We added the cilantro. Why, you guys? Because we want to keep that taco smell going. We don't want to add no more packs of... If you have to, go ahead. But I didn't, okay? So I just added fresh cilantro and some mushrooms for the spaghetti side because I want it to taste like a little bit of both. And you see that, you guys? It's just chili mac. Old school chili mac. Y'all remember chili mac, okay? We're going to swing a little bit of sugar in this thing. That's what we're going to do. You already got bell peppers in there. You know, chili mac. Ain't no good chili mac, y'all. Unless you got them bell peppers in there with that sugar and that onion. That's all this is. But see, I couldn't put chili mac because I don't know if everybody know about the struggles. Struggles, you've been on my mind. Oh, struggles. Okay, we're gonna give it a quick little taste. Tasting good, y'all. Tastes like tacos. I'm not lying. Tastes just like some dang on tacos. Don't be afraid to shift, you guys. That's the topic of the day. Amen. Don't be afraid to shift. Don't be afraid to make moves. Don't be afraid to follow God. Whispers, okay? He whispers. You have to listen. I am listening now. I'm very obedient, and I am about to show y'all this spaghetti. Tell them, Shamika. Shamika getting down today. Y'all see that? Cheesy. Cheesy. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful, okay? I'm going to turn it off. Look. Okay, it's like an enchilada, y'all. I swear to God, it tastes like enchilada. So I'm going to call this an enchilada spaghetti. Because that's what it tastes like. Look at that. Lord, Lord, Lord. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go on and kick it off with a little bit of... That's it, you guys. And that was just a little thrifty, little something that I be doing. You guys got some leftover taco meat. I only had a handful. And threw some noodles in there. And now I got enough to eat to carry me on till Monday. You feel me? I'm going to throw a couple of pieces of sliced bread with it in the toaster. Slap some butter on there. Sprinkle me a little bit of onion and garlic powder on there. And some parsley on my bread. And make me some garlic bread. Yes, y'all. I keeps it basic. Look at that. Okay? That is an enchilada spaghetti. Okay? So delicious. So quick. So already in your kitchen. Always keep a can of tomato sauce. Okay? Or spaghetti sauce. The big can. with all of that being said, because my mouth is watering, and Shamika, I got to get back to her because she got me on my spiritual tip. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling real double time anointed. With all that being said, for all BS to the side, I really want to thank you guys for supporting me. I see you guys in the comments, you know, going back and forth about my stove. It's all good. I'm not tripping. It's good in the hood. I still love you all. I love the support. Keep supporting me, you guys. Keep sharing my videos. I can see the counts going up on that. I'm watching all the analytics. I watch everything. I try to make sure I comment to all of you guys. But I do the best I can with all that. Also being said, without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, share. When you subscribe, hit the little bell on the right hand side. Go to my Facebook. I don't have Facebook no more, dang. Oh, that sucks. Go to my IG and my Snap, and that's GIIGIIMAGIQ. Goodbye. Mwah.